How to make your Twitter account private? For that, you just have to open the Twitter app and make sure to sign into your Twitter account. Now tap on profile at the top left corner of the screen. The side menu will appear where you just have to tap on settings and support and select the settings and privacy option. On this settings page, you need to scroll down and select the privacy and safety where you have to open audience and tagging option. You have to toggle on protect your post and protect your videos. So here it is written only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your post, and if selected, videos you post or send via DMs will be not downloadable by default. So this settings applies to videos here going forward and is not retroactive. So once you have done that, you can easily make your Twitter account private by doing so. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.